Hi everyone, welcome to another Wonders unit. Today we are starting with Unit 6, Week 1, Day 1. So first of all, we're going to do some phonological awareness, which is where you're listening to sounds. So listen as I say three words. Which sound is the same? Moose, hoop, juice. It would be ooh in the middle. House, cow, town. Ow is the same. Glued, zoom, mood. The same as ooh. Flew, to, shoe. Ooh is the same. Stork, corn, board. It would be or. And last, boot, goose, drew. Once again, it would be ooh. Okay, friends, so let's review some of this stuff. We did this last week. Okay, remember OI says oi. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, joint. 3, 2, 1, boy. 3, 2, 1, boil. 3, 2, 1, point. 3, 2, 1, enjoys. 3, 2, 1, broil. 3, 2, 1, hoist. 3, 2, 1, joy. 3, 2, 1, moist. 3, 2, 1, soy. Now friends, a lot of these had OI or OY, and they both say oi. So we are moving on to a new sound this week. We are working today, let me scoot this over. Today we will be working on variants of the vowel U. So this is the spoon spelling card. The sound is oo. This is the sound in the middle of the spoon card. Listen, spoon. The oo sound can be spelled many different ways. So today we're going to go over that. This says oo, oo, ooh, 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 or ow, and ooh. So don't get overwhelmed. I know these are a lot of ways to spell it, but we will go over each of these. So this is o-o, ooh as in spoon, ooh as in truth, ooh as in rule, ooh as in chew, ooh as in glue, ooh as in fruit, and ooh as in you. Now remember, OU can say ow or o. Today, no, not ow or o, sorry. Ow or ooh, ow or ooh. But today it's going to say ooh, not ow. Okay, here we go. Let me go forward. Okay, so let me move this over. I'm going to have you read these as I go across them. Ooh, 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 oh, sorry. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, friends, so there are a lot of ways to spell ooh. We're going to go over some of those ways. Okay, now we're going to blend. Blend, put it together, blend, soon. The word is soon. Sound, tur, blend, ooh, true, blend, together, truth. Sound, full, sound, ooh, blend, flute. The word is flute. Sound, blend, ooh. The word is new. Sound, tur. Sound, ooh. Blend, true. Sound, s. Blend, sue. Blend, t. Suit. Sound, y. Blend, ooh, you. Okay, so really quickly we're going to go over some of these. Ow or o, ow or ooh, ooh, or because it can be R controlled too. Der, ooh, sneaky C. Ooh, ooh today. St, ooh, oi, ow or ooh, a, oi. Okay, those were a lot of sounds. So I'm gonna go down here so we can blend some more. Okay, here we go. Blend. S, oop. The word is soup. Did you notice how I almost said ow here? But it's not ow today, it's ooh. So that wouldn't be soup. That doesn't make sense. It'd be soup. Okay, here we go some more. Blend. Room. The word is room. Soon. The word is soon. Ooh, blend. Tool. Tools. Blend. Soup. Remember, ER is controlled by the R sound, so it's an oo sound. It's not supper, it's super. Here we go again. Ooh. Word is cool. Let me move this up here so you can see more of the words. Okay, here we go. Rude. Drew. The word is drew, and this means you drew something in the past. So if you draw something, you're drawing right now, but if you drew something, it's in the past. But this time it doesn't have ed. Okay, here we go. New. Blue. Juice. Ooh, you. Okay, now this time I'm going to show it. I'm going to give you 3 seconds because you're going to do it in your head. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, loop. 3, 2, 1, road. 3, 2, 1, rude. 3, 2, 1, stay. 3, 2, 1, stew. 1 second, let me put this up here. 3, 2, 1, coin. 3, 2, 1, mouse. 3, 2, 1, town. 3, 2, 1, corn. 3, 2, 1, hurt. 3, 2, 1, boys. Okay, I'm going to put this down here so we can read our sentence. Okay, Duke. Now Duke can be a name, and it's also the beginning of our sentence today. Duke wore, O-R-E says or. Duke wore blue, remember this says ooh, suit, and brown boots. Lucy jumped into her new pool. Okay, let me move this up here. Moose, remember O-O says ooh, moose, a moose from the zoo was on the loose. There's ooh again. Ooh, ooh. So lots of different oohs going on. We've got ooh here, we've got ooh here, we've got oohs over here and over here. So this one's a little tricky, but we will learn how to do it. Now friends, this is the spelling, and remember you'll go online to do that at Spelling City. Be sure to practice your spelling words because we do have a test at the end of the week. Okay, we're going to really quickly read these. I'm going to help you because it's our first day reading them. So, ooh, moon. Ooh, tune. Oo, flew. Oo, blue. Oo, fruit. A moose from the zoo is on the loose. Now this time we're not excited about it. We're just saying on the loose. Okay, this is our story for today. I'm going to read it and I'm just going to help you learn the sounds in the story. So we have oo and we have I. So it's a balloon ride. Here are some words you're going to see. They brought, busy, are, answer, enough, said, eyes. Okay, here we go. So a group of students planned a balloon ride. A red balloon drooped, that means it's kind of flat, drooped on the ground. They had brought a pump. They got busy filling it up. Are you ready? Asked Bruce. Ooh. The group had a loud answer, yes. Bruce set the balloon loose. That means he's letting it go because they fixed it and put air in it, and now it's going to fly. Okay, let me move this so you can see the picture. The balloon floated higher and higher. Soon it was high enough to see rooftops. Compound word, rooftops. Just then a man came out his door. He waved to them. The wind blew the balloon for miles. The students looked at the endless fields. The route took them over a blue river. This is cool, said a student. A goose, this is the goose, flew by the basket. Then the students spotted a jet zooming by, going fast. We are not the only ones flying, cried a student. Down below, a girl looked up. Her eyes opened wide. The balloon looked like the biggest ruby red fruit she had ever seen. No, seen is not. She had ever seen. Okay, so lots of oohs in that story. Okay, let's go over our high frequency words. Answer. I will answer the phone. Brought. Sam brought his flute home from school. So all of this is ought. Even so, this is going to say ah. Okay, busy. We had a busy day at school today. Door. Who opened the door? Enough. Do we have enough time to play this game? Eyes. My eyes are brown. Okay, friends, so this is the last part for today. And today we are talking about pronouns. So we know that a noun is a person, place, or thing, or an idea. So honest, joy, those are all nouns. So anyway, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So you'd say, my name is blank. I am your teacher. So I'd say, my name is Miss McKee. I am your teacher. Your name is, say your name. Oh, this is I. This is the pronoun. You are one student in this class. John is a boy. He is in our class. Myra is a girl. She is in our class. You and I are pronouns, are in this room. We are in this room. The kids are sitting in the corner. They are sitting in the corner. Okay, pronouns tell you who's talking without having to say the same word all the time. So it can be she, you, I, we, they, he, or I. Okay, thanks for listening, guys. Bye.